Area officers say they are taking more firearms off the streets in 2021 than they did in 2020. Today, a stolen firearm was linked to a case where a 6-year-old Kearns girl was shot and injured last year. Now, the suspect in that case is in police custody.
Tonight, ABC4's Jason Wynn dives into the numbers and tells us why officers are recovering firearms from unlikely individuals.
57-year-old Linda Nemelka was shot dead in her car last year in Mill Creek. Detectives arresting 2 people for the mother of 5's death in early July.
Having answers is part of its own closure, but it doesn't change what happened. It doesn't bring her back.
Both Unified Police and Salt Lake City Police Departments tell ABC4 News there's an increase in stolen firearm recoveries. From January 1st through July 13th in 2020, Salt Lake City Police recovered 21 firearms, and in 2021, there were 32 guns recovered at an increase of 11 firearms. During the same time frame, in 2020, Unified Police recovered 282 firearms. In 2021, officers took 295 firearms off the streets, an increase of 13 guns.
When you look at, we're into July and we've already recovered 300 firearms, we're on track to do 600. And that's a lot of firearms out there that we're taking off of criminals.
Police say the most common place to have a firearm stolen is inside your vehicle. Earlier this week, guns and ammo got stolen from 3 vehicles during a rash of burglaries in Roy. Officers across Utah say it's a common case in our state.
That's one of the reasons that you constantly hear us saying don't leave that kind of item in your vehicles.
The hardened criminals are not the only ones looking to get a hold of your firearms.
And I think probably one of the most disturbing things for us is probably that some of these are coming off of juveniles.
Officers say that's why it's more important now than ever to secure your guns and have serial numbers handy for police reports if ever taken. In Salt Lake County, I'm Jason Wynn, ABC4 News.